taking off from Miami on a Frontier A320. I have no idea where the runway is or which one it's going to be yet. I don't know Miami very well, but we'll be taking off soon, so I will pause the video until we get to that point. Alright, so we're making our way onto the runway, I guess. Still have no idea which runway it is. Someone can somehow tell in the dark. What are you moving? I don't know what the runway number is. I can't tell. But we're on the runway. Can't see it, unfortunately. Absolutely beautiful. Blue house down there. Oh, glowing blue. Fortunately, I missed it. Also, this is an A320neo. I've actually been on the 737 MAX as well.